E te iwi tēnei rau atu koutou katoa, ko Tiare Tawera tēnei. I have another epic workout for you guys. Today we're going to be focusing on core and cardio work. That's right. We're going to get the manawa pumping. We're going to get the blood flowing throughout our body. And we're also going to make sure that we focus on the pake waru, the pake ono, the pake wha, or maybe the pake kori. But hey, kei te pai, okay? We're not finding without further ado, kei te ahua rongo au te wairua. Let's get into the exercise. First up, we're going to go with side planks. Ka pai, side planks, feet like so. You're going to bring that elbow in over to here. And you're going to push up and you're going to hold this position here for 20 seconds. If you do find that quite a struggle, whānau, bring your knee, come to your knees. So have your body like so, and you're going to push up like that. Same exercise. The side planks is really emphasizing and focusing on the obliques. Ka pai, you're going to go 20 seconds each side. Once again, 20 seconds on, 15 rest, and then 20 seconds again. We're then going to move into mountain climbers. Ka pai, mountain climbers. You come forward like so, and keep that bum nice and down as well. Not like this, but like so. And the legs are coming to the opposite elbow. Ka pai, knee to the opposite elbow. If that is quite difficult for you, whānau, kei te pai tērā, just bring your legs in like this. Ka pai, kei te pai tonu tēnei, like that. Mountain climbers. After mountain climbers, we're going straight into jumping squats. Ka pai. With the jumping squats, if you do find this a little bit difficult and you're worried about your knees, kei te pai, just go back to normal body weight squats. But hey, if you want to make this a cardiovascular exercise or cardiovascular workout, let's get some jumping into that exercise, into that movement. Ka pai. And you're going to go for 20 seconds. Next up, we have high knee taps. Ka pai, high knee taps. Let's go. Bene. Another great core exercise. It's also good for the cardiovascular system as well. Ka pai. After that, we're going into alternating toe planks. Come into the plank position like so. Tiro here ngā wāwai. Wāwai is out. Ka pai. Wāwai ki te taha. Ki te taha. Ki te taha. Great thing about this exercise here, every time you're on a plank formation or you're on the plank position, it's really working the upper body. Great exercise for the core, developing the core muscles. But when your legs are going out to the sides, you're really activating the hamstrings, the glutes. So it's a sort of a good exercise for the lower body as well. But most importantly, this is cardiovascular work, core work. So excellent exercise. So that's alternating toe planks. I nai nei hei whakamutu ake ko ngā star jumps. Ka pai, star jumps. This is a good pace. Once again, really good for the cardiovascular system. But hey, if you do struggle, yet again, kei te pai tērā. You're going to go to the side, one, side, one, side, okay? Great alternative. At the end of the day, what we're trying to focus here is getting the body active, getting the body movement. Nā reira, tēnei momo āhua, te haere ki ngā taha, he pai tonu tērā. Ko te mea nui kai te ū koe ki te kaupapa, kai te whakaungungu tinana koe, koera te mea nui. Ka pai, hoi no whānau, we're going to hit the timer. So hit the Tabata timer. There we go, our 30 seconds have begun. Our 30 seconds whakarite te wairua. And once again, we're going to start with our side planks. Hold for 20 seconds, rest for 15 seconds. We've got a total of 3 rounds. Nā reira, kia rite ake tātou e hoa mā. He mahi nui kai te haere. Ka pai, let's get ready. A koene ka tangi te pere. Into our side planks. Here we go. Haki roto. Haki wao. Ko tangi te pere. There we go. Hold the side plank. Once again, great exercise to really develop the oblique muscles. There we go. Keep that position stable. Make sure you keep your hope off the ground. Okay, you don't want to come down like so. Ka pai, keep the hope off the ground. Kai te wiri. Tēnei taha, ka pai. We're going to move on to the other side. Once again, hold for 20 seconds. Keep your hips off the ground. And if you do struggle in that position, go to the knees, and that's okay as well. Ka pai, great alternative for ngā wahine. Or for some people that find this position here a little bit of a struggle. Side planks, ka pai. Whai muri aki tere, we're going to change things up. I'm going to go straight into jumping squats, ka pai, to really activate the cardiovascular work. Ka pai whānau. Tēnā koutou, inaine. We're going into jumping squats, and then from jumping squats, we're going to move into mountain climbers, okay? Quick change up, but hey, let's bite there. Okay, shake the legs out. They're going to get punished. Let's go. Let's go. Kick off, whānau. Once again, if you can't do the jump, just do normal body weight. Kai te pai tonu tērā. Up high, woo! Shake it out, shake the body out. Do a bit of a kani while you're waiting. Inaine, we're going straight into mountain climbers, ka pai. Let's get into this exercise. Kia ora te mai. Whew. There we go. Ka pai whānau. Ka rau e tō mahi. Pai rau atu whānau. Wea ke neru. Whoa. Awesome exercise once again. You're really emphasizing the upper body. Great for the obliques, great for the core. And it's a great cardiovascular exercise as well. Ka mau te wehi naine. We're going into high knee taps. Let's go. Up right. Here we go, whānau. Let's go. Up right. Up high. Coming up next, we have alternating toe planks. Haki roto, haki wao. There we go. Alternating toe planks. Let's go. 1, 2, come on. Woo. Bye, whānau. Excellent mahi. Woo. Whoa, got by. That's core work. We're now going to move into some more cardio work, star jumps. Okay, let's keep that pace up. Once again, if you need to go like this, that's absolutely fine again. Okay, let's go. Kick off, whānau. Good work, whānau. Let's get it. Whoa. There we go, whānau. Okay, now we're going to break for 45 seconds. Only 45. If you need to grab a water, tikina te te hiwai, inu mea te wai Māori. Hapai, haki roto, haki wao. 35 seconds to go. Haki roto, haki wao. Haki roto, haki wao. Ka pai whānau. Ka pai. 20 more seconds to go. Starting things off with side planks, jumping squats, mountain climbers, high knee taps, alternating toe planks, and star jumps. 6 exercises, but one great workout for the cardiovascular system, as well as the core. Mea tahi atu wahanga te tinana. Hapai. We go, whānau, side planks. Let's get it. Let's go. 20-second hold. Let's get it. Hapai, whānau. Ka mau tōi. Keep that hope up. Oh, started feeling my hope dropping a bit. Getting a bit mangere. Hapai. Tahuri atu ki tērā atu taha. Hapai. Once again, whānau, really try, keep that hope up. If you do struggle, the knees are okay as well. Okay, 3, 2, hapai. There we go. Keep the hope up. Great exercise for the core exercise, for the core, for the obliques. And as you can see with the arms, ai, kai te ronga i te mamai, kai te wiri te tinana. Woo! After this, we're going to go jumping squats. Hapai. Moving into jumping squats. Once again with the jumping squats, if you do struggle, hey, go back to normal body weight. Great exercise for the hamstrings, the quads, the glutes, but also good cardio work as well. Right, let's go. not jumping too high, but we are definitely getting some pace. Our bike getting some good momentum, keeping that heart rate going, keeping that cardiovascular system, that cardio work working. Let's get it. Ka pai, shake it off. We're now going to move into mountain climbers. Great exercise for the obliques, the core, and once again, good cardiovascular work. Okay, mountain climbers, kare te mai. Woo. Ka pai whānau, ka mai te wehi. Woo. Good work whānau, halfway there. Ka pai. United high knee taps. Woo. Let's go whānau. Awesome stuff today. Let's go, shake it out. Check it out. Let's get it. Put the knees up. Let's go. Woo! Bye. Next up, alternating toe planks. Let's go this side, eh? Woo! Oh. Let's go. Bye, whānau. Keep that bum down. Let's go, keep the core tight. Let's go. Woo! Ah, goodbye. Have come to our star jumps. 2 rounds done and dusted. 1 more to go after this. Hakiroto. Let's go. Let's go, whānau. Whoop. Keep up the pace. Ka pai whānau. Let's go. Woo! Ka pai. Meke out. Tēnā koe. 45 seconds rest. 1 more round to go. Ka mau te wehi. Definitely starting to get a sweat build up now. The heart rate is going. The muscles are pumping, the core is tight. That's how we know it's another epic workout. Why? 6 more exercises to go. 25 seconds rest. We want to get into it. Let's smash it. Last round. Time to dig deep. Let's push through. Ke ka hata tau. Poko maro te karawhiu. Side plank holds. Tiare te mai. 3, 2, there we go. We're starting to Piri. Keep your hoppy up. Keep the core tight. Haere te moi. Oh. Ka pai. Nearly finished. Ka pai. Onto the other side. Quick 15-second break. Moving on to the next side. And once again, hold it for another 20 seconds. Okay. Let's go. There we go. Hold it up. There we go, whānau. Hapai. Rawera mātu tō koutou mahi. Straight after this, jumping squats. Hapai. Te kaha tātou. Keep the core up, ka pai. Moving into jumping squats. Also mahi whānau, you're definitely going to be feeling the heart rate. It's definitely going to be up. Whakaata pai tērā. Another great exercise. When you can get through this 3 rounds, how mau te wiki. Alright, let's go. Keep up the pace. Let's go. Kapai. Up by. Next up, whānau, we have mountain climbers, okay? Let's go this side. There we go. Make sure that you're really trying to emphasize moving the knee into the opposite elbow and twisting through the obliques. Okay, 1, 2. There we go. Up by 9 high knee taps. Right, go to the weight. Up by. Let's go. Let's go. Up by. Woo. Up by. Okay, moving into alternating toe planks. Let's go. Woo. 2 more exercises to go, whānau. Kia kaha tātou. Woo! Hai whakamutu ake, star jumps. Woo! Ah, mau te wahi. Hai te turuturu mai te wera wera. Hapai, haere te mai. Woo! Hana. Hapai, kia kaha. Let's go, whānau. Ah. There we go, high five. Whānau, excellent mahi. Today, once again, 6 exercises, focusing on the core and cardiovascular work. Oh, kai te rongoa hau, I te mamai, engari te mamai pai nei. E mihi ana kia koutou, hey, once again, don't forget whānau, keep working at it. It's about making those progressive steps in a positive direction. Show up every single day, get your workout done, eat according to your goals, eat healthy food, quality macronutrients, quality micronutrients. Macronutrients, your protein, carbs, and fats. Ka pai, koia tera, keep hydrated, drink a lot of water, and don't forget, love your whānau unconditionally. Nui taku aroha ki a koe, kua mutu, kua kehi, tēnā koutou.